Hello everyone, Nina here with Waffle Flower. I'm going to share what's included in our sneak peek club kit for June. What are the intended uses for these products? And then a few card ideas by our design team member Galina. In this kit, you will receive a sampler of the new Season's Greetings paper pad, a Christmas-themed Subsentiment die-cut sheet, and the retro Christmas tree Die-n-stencil. This Die-n-stencil set includes 3 dies and 3 stencils to help you create a unique Christmas tree with retro ornaments and sparkles. Instead of white cardstock, I prefer die-cutting from green-colored cardstock for this tree. The cardstock color serves as your base color, and all you need to do is to ink blend in the shadows using a layered stencil. Here's a little tip. It will make your ink blending much smoother if you tilt the tree to point it to your brush holding hand, starting off the stencil and pushing the colors in with a heavier hand closer to the edge of the stencil and lifting up as you move further in. If you want to wipe off the leftover ink on your stencil, always do it by wiping the ink off the stencil into the opening. This is to avoid accidentally lifting up the stencil corners. I also went back to the die-cut piece to ink blend the edges a little bit more to avoid any white edges shown. My favorite part of this tree is the built-in openings that serve as sparkles. They are very pretty when backed up with some metallic cardstock. This set includes a group of small dies, including a star that you can add to the top of your tree, but most of them are made for adding details to the ornaments. You'll find the counterpart for ink blending on the stencil. As shown in this video, all the ornaments are grouped together. The suggested colors are etched on the stencil. However, feel free to experiment with your own color combinations. That's part of the fun. If you have any of our grid mats, I recommend trimming your cardstock to size so you don't need to worry about excess ink getting on unwanted areas. I would recommend stenciling first and then die cutting with these ornaments. You can leave the stenciled ornaments as they are, or you can use the die-cut pieces to easily add some shine to your ornaments. I didn't include a stencil for masking the tree, because you can use the die-cut of the tree for this, just like what Galina did here. She ink blended the tree on the front of her card using pink and yellow inks, and then used the die-cut piece as a mask to blend in a halo around the tree in blue ink to help the tree pop against the background. I love Galina's idea for adding white pigment ink through the stencils for a snow-capped tree. As mentioned earlier, you can back up the tree with some glitter or metallic paper for added shine. They're very pretty. With the cool backgrounds from the pattern paper pad, this is a great design for mass production. For the connectors on the ornaments, you can use a stencil with glitter or metallic pastes, or just color them with a marker like what Galina did here. The ornaments are also designed to fit perfectly on an A2 sized card. Galina didn't show in her footage, but you could put a piece of printer paper over the other half of the cardstock beneath the stencil layer when ink blending to help block out the excess ink. I love how she used the wild gel pen to add more details to the ornaments. Again, we encourage you to play with your favorite ink colors with these ornaments. You can make multiples all at once, quick and easy. We hope you enjoy these products as much as we do. It's definitely a set I keep going back to play with. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again soon.